Dot. Idioms, phrases. Spanner in the works. English meaning. Reason to spoil a plan. Hindi meaning. योजना खराब करने का कारण. Idioms, phrases. Speak volumes of for. English meaning. Makes an opinion, characteristics or situation very clear. हिंदी meaning. एक राय, विशेषताओं या स्थिति को बहुत स्पष्ट करता है. Idioms, phrases. Spin a yarn. English meaning. Tell a story, especially a long drawn out, a totally fanciful. हिंदी meaning. एक कहानी बताओ, विशेष रूप से एक लंबी खींची हुई. Idioms, phrases. Speak blood. English meaning. Became very angry. हिंदी meaning. बहुत क्रोधित हो गया. Idioms, phrases. Split hairs. English meaning. Make small and overfine distinctions. हिंदी meaning. छोटे और अति सूक्ष्म भेद करना. Idioms, phrases. Spot on. English meaning. Accurate. Hindi meaning. सटीक. Idioms, phrases. Spur of the moment. English meaning. Decision or action without planning. हिंदी meaning. योजना के बिना निर्णय या कार्रवाई. Idioms, phrases. Stand in good stead. English meaning. Useful and beneficial, especially of a talent, ability or experience. हिंदी meaning. विशेष रूप से प्रतिभा, क्षमता या अनुभव के लिए उपयोगी और लाभकारी. Idioms, phrases. Start from scratch. English meaning. To begin from beginning. हिंदी meaning. शुरू से शुरू करना. Idioms, phrases. State of the art. English meaning. Modern and advanced. हिंदी meaning. आधुनिक और अग्रिम. Idioms, phrases. Steal a march over. English meaning. To gain an unexpected or surreptitious advantage over someone or something. हिंदी meaning. किसी पर या किसी चीज पर अप्रत्याशित या गुप्त लाभ प्राप्त करना. Idioms, phrases. Step on it. English meaning. Go faster or hurry up. हिंदी meaning. जल्दी जाओ या जल्दी करो. Idioms, phrases. Step on someone's toes. English meaning. To upset someone. हिंदी meaning. किसी को परेशान करना. Idioms, phrases. To stick your neck out. English meaning. Take risk. हिंदी meaning. जोखिम लेने. Idioms, phrases. Sticky end. English meaning. An unpleasant finish, death. हिंदी meaning. एक अप्रिय खत्म मौत. Idioms, phrases. Stiff-necked. English meaning. Haughty and stubborn. हिंदी meaning. गर्दन. Idioms, phrases. Straight face. English meaning. A serious or impassive facial expression. हिंदी meaning. एक गंभीर या भावहीन चेहरे की अभिव्यक्ति. Idioms, phrases. Strike a chord, touch a chord. English meaning. To say or do something that other people agree with or have sympathy with. हिंदी meaning. ऐसा कुछ कहना या करना जिससे दूसरे लोग सहमत हो या जिसके साथ सहानुभूति हो. Idioms, phrases. Sweep things under the carpet. English meaning. To ignore, deny or conceal from public view or damage one's plan or reputation. हिंदी meaning. सार्वजनिक दृष्टि से इनकार करना या छिपाना या किसी की योजना या प्रतिष्ठा को नुकसान पहुंचाना. Idioms, phrases. Swim or go against the tide. English meaning. Go against of prevailing opinion or thought. हिंदी meaning. प्रचलित मत या विचार के विरुद्ध जाना.